Yet another video, yet another tutorial we're taking a look at today. Now, you guys already know, 2 days ago, I did go ahead and do a review over the Air Jordan 1 shattered backboard, a very flawless Air Jordan 1. But I did go ahead and say after that video, I was bringing a lace tutorial for you guys like I always usually do. And in this video, that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So if you like your laces to look something a little bit like this, the bunny lace, then sit back, relax, because in the next couple minutes here, I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how I lace up the 3 styles on my Air Jordan 1 shattered backboard. So without further ado, love y'all, and let's get started. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, it is your kid, Nepper. I hope you're having a great day, and I truly hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Happy Tuesday, everybody. A matter of fact, not only is it Tuesday, but happy September. We are officially now in September, making it 3 more months left of 2025, which is kind of ridiculous considering the fact that this year, it felt like this year has just started with all the different releases and all the different just everything coming out this year is, wow, it's made it seem this year has been flying. But do let me know how you're feeling today. How has your 2025 been? Has it been good? Has it been annoying? Let me know all that down below. As you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, I'm not bringing you guys a sneaker review, but rather I'm bringing you guys yet another 3 ways on how I lace up my sneakers for 2025. And the sneaker that we're taking a look at today that we're gonna be doing it on is on the Air Jordan 1 shattered backboard. Now, like 2 days ago, I dropped a video over on these, so go check that out. Very, very nice shoe, sitting all over the place still. Go ahead and grab them. But I like to go ahead and get you guys different styles on how you rock your sneakers. That way they don't look like super choked up, because some people I see with the rocking their shoes, I'm like, dang, man, these things look too choked, and they don't look right. So I had to go ahead and bring like different styles for you guys to go ahead and check out. I'll be bringing you guys 3 styles that way you can go ahead and do, and we'll follow along and do it together. That way it's a fun time. But before we go ahead and take a look at 3 ways of how I style the Air Jordan 1 shattered backboard, I do want to give you guys your kudos. I want to give you guys your shout outs, because I greatly just appreciate all that you guys do for me. I would not be able to do it if it wasn't for you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, thank you guys seriously for all the love and all the support that you show. Let me just say, like, if I can give you guys a hug, I really, really would, and I really just appreciate everything you guys do for me. If you haven't already, definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So also comment down below, hit that like, as well as turn the bell notification on. That way, anytime I drop a video, you're alerted and notified. Also, if you want to go ahead and get featured like you see right here, comment down below. Let me know how you're feeling today. Let me know how your 2025 is going. I like to go ahead and leave this section for you guys to engage with the channel. It's a way for me to kind of, like, you know, shout you guys out and really engage with you guys even more and more. So if you want to get featured like you see always wonderful people right here, literally comment and down below and tell me what you want to tell me. Now, with that said, I am going to show you guys the 3 ways on how I go ahead and lace up the Air Jordan 1 shattered backboard. So sit back, relax. I'm gonna go behind the camera here shortly and go ahead and start lacing these up. That way you have a feel of different style on how you can rock your kick. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. All right, guys, you know the drill. Sit back and relax and follow along. So the very first lace style that we're going to go ahead and do is the bunny lace, and this one's fairly easy, and I feel like when it comes to Air Jordan 1s, this one actually goes ahead and it's really simple to do. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, I already went ahead and took out all of the laces up until the beginning, so you're just gonna follow along with me. You're gonna take your very first one lace and you're gonna go ahead and feed it under. Moving forward, I think what I'm gonna start doing is keeping it underhand like this for my lace styles, because it's a little bit easier. So you're gonna go ahead and feed it through, get your other lace, you're gonna feed it through. Now for the bunny lace, I prefer not to have your lacing like too tight. You don't want them choked up, you want them just right. That way when you're walking it through and you're feeding it through the eyelets and you get to the last eyelet, it's not gonna be overkill tight, if that makes sense. So you're gonna go ahead, You're gonna feed that one, keep feeding it. Just follow along with me. Feed it through, y'all. And we're gonna go all the way up into the almost the second to last eyelet. And just keep following along, guys. Keep following along. Don't be afraid to adjust your laces a little bit. Let me know down below, did you go ahead and pick up the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard? I feel like it's crazy to see that sneakers are sitting this hard, especially some of these classic colorways that back in the day people would have passed out for. So we're gonna go ahead and feed it through. Keep feeding it. Keep feeding it. And then, all right, we're now getting to the second to last eyelet. So as you see right here, I'm gonna put it through right the third eyelet. Now let's go ahead and do it. Sorry guys, I'm trying to keep it in frame while I'm also doing this. So and then same thing. All right, so now as you see right here, you're gonna see you have your laces like so. You're simply just gonna go ahead and tie them, make a knot, and you're gonna go ahead and turn them into a small ear like this. And boom, and when you're done, it should look something like this. And you see how it just goes ahead and sits there like that? You see how I went ahead and I took all my laces and I didn't do them too tight, but I didn't do them too loose. I did them just right. That way the bunny lace just sits right there. And there we go, right there, guys. We're actually gonna go ahead and get these on feet right now. That way you get a closer perspective, and here we go. All right guys, here we go right here. This is the first lace style. This is the bunny lace. And like I went ahead and said, if you take your time with it, you'll be able to get it nice and neat like you see right here. These look really, really good in my opinion. But let's see how the other lace styles hold up in terms of the bunny lace. Here we go right now. All right guys, here we go with the second lace style. This is the loosey goosey. And here we go. So just like the bunny lace, we are gonna go with, for the loosey goosey, we're gonna go underhand for this one. And the trick for this one, well, I wouldn't even say really a trick, but just the technique to get the way that you want it is the same thing. Try not to keep it too loose, try not to keep it too tight. But for this one, you kind of want to be a little bit looser than unlike the bunny lace, because you want it to nice and hang down when you get to the second eyelet. And I will go ahead and show you. Here we go right here. Don't be afraid to adjust those laces right there. And let's keep on moving up right there. Let me know how you're feeling about the video so far. Do you like these type of videos? Do you want more? Let me know. But yeah, I like bringing these lace tutorials for you guys, and the feedback that you guys bring on them is always so fun and exciting. So I'm like, you know what? The family likes it. I'm gonna keep on bringing them. Here we go. But keep on coming up. Keep on. Feed it through. Go ahead and swap out a little bit. Adjust it right there. Nice and neat. I'm trying to keep it in the frame right here. There we go. Yes, sure. Keep getting it up. Keep getting it up. Right there. Can't wait to bring more tutorials for you guys too. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun, fun, fun. So for this one, all right, you're gonna go to the third eyelet. You're gonna go ahead, underhand, and same thing. Underhand. All right. So once you get right there, as you can see, you're gonna go ahead, and what I like to do is I like to put it to the second eyelet. but we're not going over. We're gonna go straight through the second, and you're gonna let it sit like so. See? And when you're done, it should look like this. Yes. If you want to adjust it a little bit more so the slack isn't as long, you can, and it'll look like this. Check it out. Yeah. There we go right there. Nice, and the slack is nice and neat right there. Let's go ahead and put these things on feet right now, and let's get a closer perspective. Alright guys, here we go right here, coming in at the second lace style. This is the Loosey Goosey, and let me know down below what you think about these. I like these a lot too. I think that the loose look on Air Jordan 1s always is a banger for sure, especially when you do it right, and I feel like I went ahead and got these one down really good. So let me know what you think about the Loosey Goosey lace style, coming in at the third and final lace style, and here we go. Alright guys, here we go. Last but certainly not least, this is the knot lace. So the same thing, we're gonna go over again, but you're gonna want to go ahead and when you get to the second to last eyelet, you're gonna want to make a knot, and I will go ahead and show you right now. Here we go. So keep going overhand again, keep going overhand. Really appreciate the love and support that you guys have been showing for this video. Comment down below and let me know if you got to this point. If so, you are absolutely amazing. We're gonna go ahead and keep on lacing it up right now. Well, I'm trying to hurry up a little bit. My camera's on the verge of it dying, so I don't want that to be the case before I end this video off. So let's go ahead and show it right now. So keep going up, keep going up, keep going up, keep going up. Do some adjusting if need be. Let's go ahead and push it through there. We're gonna go to almost at the very end here. And here we go. So now that we are at the third eyelet, what you're gonna go ahead and do is you're gonna go ahead and feed it right through the third eyelet. Make sure you put it through here, make it tight, adjust it, and make it tight right there. And then pay attention, because this is the part where it gets a little, not tricky, but you just want to pay attention. Alright, so once you get to the very last bit of it, you're going to take your ends, you're going to pinch it, you're going to create your hand like this, you're going to feed it through, and then once you feed it through, you're going to go ahead and make an opening right here, and you're going to go ahead and push it right through. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Push it right through. That way it looks like this. That actually was a little bit sloppy. Let's retry it again. And then let's go ahead and adjust that some more. So you take the ends, pinch it, take your fingers, bring it around like that, feed it through, get in there, and then you're gonna want to bring it down like so. Much better. There we go. And when you're done, it'll look like this right here. Take a look at it. So that's how you do the knot lace, guys. Let's go ahead and put this on feet right now, and then we'll end the video off right here. Let's go. All right, guys, here we go right here. This is the last lace style. This is the knot lace, and honestly, the knot lace is one of my personal favorites. Reason being is because not only does it look nice like you're seeing right here, but the knot lace is one of those ones where if you get it done right, the knot is not getting undone. So you can go ahead and run in these, walk in these, try to go ahead and purposely unlace them. They are not coming undone, which I think is really really nice. But do let me know what you feel about the third and final lace, the knot lace. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut way to the end of the video, and let's talk a little more, and then we'll end it off. Here we go, guys. And boom, here we go right there. That was the 3 ways on how I laced up the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard. Do let me know which one was your favorite lace style. I think for me, the bunny lace was my favorite. I feel like I always say that for these past couple of lace tutorials, but I feel like for the Air Jordan 1, when you go ahead and you lace it up right, it just looks good the way it sits. The knot lace was probably my second, and then the loosey goosey would being my third. But do let me know how you feel about this one. Like I said, I like to bring different styles for you guys, and I know usually my lace styles are all the same for all my shoes, but I just like to go ahead and actually bring them on the shoe that we're actually reviewing or taking a look at. That way you can follow along and help you guys out, you know, the best I possibly can. But do let me know how you're feeling about this video. If you like it, comment down below, share it, rewind it as much as you want. Like I said, take your time with it and you'll get it down right. I really appreciate you guys so much. Love you so much. Next video I'm dropping on a lace tutorial is going to be the Air Jordan 4 Undefeated, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, it's gonna be a really fun one. Guys, greatly appreciate you. Remember, it's only ever be one you. Be the best you. And until next time, I will catch y'all in the next video, guys. Peace.